Welcome to Bob Jones Realtor and the mid-October construction update for the Gordie Howe Bridge, the newest landmark connection between Canada and the United States. This project continues to progress, promoting trade, travel, and cultural exchange between Windsor, Ontario and Detroit, Michigan. As we take a closer look at the current developments, let's explore the various components coming together on this monumental bridge. First, we will look at the progress in Michigan. The winding concrete lanes of the US Interchange and the American Plaza show substantial movement forward. It's incredible what can be achieved with modern engineering practices. The Gordie Howe Bridge stands as a testament to innovation. Quick fact: the bridge features a main span of 2,798 feet long, making it the longest cable-stayed bridge in North America, and towers 722 feet tall, making them some of the tallest in the region. As construction progresses, it's essential to address current news and any ongoing controversies surrounding the project. Communities on both sides of the river have raised several concerns regarding the Gordie Howe Bridge and the potential impacts of construction on health and the environment. They expressed worries about air and water pollution and damage to local ecosystems, health risks from construction and related pollution on vulnerable populations such as children and the elderly, concerns about the disruptive increase in dust and noise, the traffic disruptions frustrating businesses in daily commutes. Some residents are concerned about their property values due to the proximity of the site. The project team engaged in community outreach to address the concerns and gather feedback. They responded, environmental monitoring of air and water are conducted. Health initiative efforts are being made to support the health and well-being of residents. Traffic management plans have been implemented to minimize disruptions, and the project is committed to investing in community improvements like infrastructure and support for local businesses. The plaza work is ongoing to finalize the integration of the road deck with the plaza area. Connectivity between these two sections is critical as it creates a central hub for public engagement and activities. This plaza will serve not only as a gathering place, but also as a scenic viewing area where visitors can take in the views of the Detroit River and the captivating surroundings. Developments continue with the construction of the plaza buildings that will provide amenities and services. These structures will include visitor information centers, retail spaces, and areas for local vendors. Crafting a welcoming environment, these buildings are designed with sustainability in mind, incorporating energy-efficient materials and large, inviting windows. This will not only create a vibrant atmosphere, but also foster economic opportunities for local businesses. The architectural design reflects the cultural heritage of both communities, uniting them in a physical and symbolic way. Like and subscribe. The channel can really use the support. It's free, only takes a click of the mouse, and helps reach more like-minded viewers. Thanks, I do appreciate it. Landscaping efforts are underway to ensure that the area surrounding the bridge is both vibrant and welcoming. Trees, native plants, and decorative elements are being meticulously planned, creating a beautiful environment that complements the bridge itself. The entrance has been designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing, with spacious driveways that ease traffic flow while incorporating features that highlight the beauty of both Windsor and Detroit. Exciting developments are taking place regarding the pedestrian path. This path is designed to promote walkability and accessibility, encouraging users to enjoy the bridge in a new way. It connects travelers directly from the road deck to the plaza. This seamless transition allows for safe passage for pedestrians and cyclists while enhancing their experience of this spectacular architecture. Bright, inviting lighting will illuminate the path during the nighttime hours, ensuring safety and adding to the ambiance of the bridge. The pedestrian and the bicycle path are designed to be on the same side of the bridge. This shared-use path enables both pedestrians and cyclists to enjoy the views and cross the bridge safely together. The design promotes accessibility, encourages non-motorized transportation to enhance the overall user experience for both cyclists and walkers. Opposite the pedestrian path on the Gordie Howe Bridge, there is a smaller path designated for maintenance workers. This maintenance path is intended for use by bridge personnel to perform regular inspections, maintenance tasks, and any necessary repairs on the bridge infrastructure. It ensures that maintenance crews can safely access the bridge without interfering with pedestrian and bicycle traffic. One of the latest additions is the ongoing installation of a non-climbable security fence. This essential feature ensures the safety and security of both vehicles and pedestrians. The material chosen for the fence is durable and designed to withstand the elements, while its height deters any unauthorized access. The fence also has been strategically designed to maintain visibility, providing an unobstructed view of the landscape surrounding the bridge, while still ensuring safety measures are firmly in place. We can see the Gordie Howe Bridge's construction progress is being made on multiple fronts, with the continued advancements in safety features like the non-climbable security fence, the completion of the pedestrian path, the development of the plaza, and landscaping. We are all well on track to create a significant infrastructure asset for both communities. Stay tuned for more updates as we journey towards the completion of this iconic connection between Canada and the United States. Like and subscribe. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.